Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by quitting Office apps so updates don't interrupt. This prevents file conflicts and locked installers. Next, open Finder and navigate to Applications to launch Microsoft Autoupdate. App, this is the control point. Once done, if you don't see it, use Spotlight or Inspect/Library/Application support because Autoupdate may be installed in system folders. Make sure you have admin credentials ready. You'll need them shortly to change system-wide settings and to prevent automatic relaunches. You now change the update behavior inside Microsoft Autoupdate. Open Preferences and uncheck Automatically keep Microsoft apps up to date or turn off scheduled checks so updates stop running in the background. If the GUI still schedules tasks, you'll remove the launch agent. Open Terminal and unload related plist files. This prevents cron-like relaunches. Be careful with sudo, you're altering system services. Once done, verify the next check date is cleared so Office won't auto-download installers. To finish, you remove persistent launch agents that restart Autoupdate. Use sudo launchtil unload/library/launchagents/com, Microsoft, update, agent, plist or similar names, then delete those plist files if desired. You can also remove Microsoft Autoupdate. App only do this if you plan manual updates. Once complete, restart your Mac to ensure agents don't auto-relaunch. If Office still prompts, check for duplicate plists in ~library/launchagents. Troubleshooting tip. If updates reappear, search for and remove any leftover Microsoft Updater plists and reboot again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.